Yeah! Down like Chinatown, J-Mac, the lovely young Alice. You smell like coconuts.
What?
Why do you smell like coconuts today? You went to the beach. It was beach day at young Alice's high school. And she is wrapping up her junior year. About to be a senior. Are you excited for that?
Mm-hmm.
All right, yeah. So they had like a free day. She's all looking like a beach bum with the shades on and smelling like coconut. So this is young Alice, everyone. We are back at Wendy's for part 3. The finale of the trilogy of the Made to Crave chicken sandwiches. Hopefully, young Alice, hopefully this is going to be better than last week, right?
I hope so.
Because none of us were feeling that. And I wasted like $17 on those sandwiches last week. And we didn't even eat them. So we just bought one this week. We're going to cut it up and split it. Some fries, young Alice? Have some fries. You know what? Young Alice?
What?
We almost forgot. Do it. Yeah, there's me. It is! Taste Test Tuesday! Oh, no. Thursday. Woo! That was pretty good, young Alice. All right. Enough with all the fanfare. Hello? Turn off. There we go. Turn that thing off. We don't need it. All right, we're going to cut this thing in half. Young Alice, you have a cutting board? What? I'm so shocked. I can't believe you always have a cutting board when I need one. Always. And guess what? I always have when I need one. Trusty Farberware. And just to add a little authenticity, we're going old school. Oh, I probably should take these off. Old school horror movie. Ha! Ah! All right, young Alice.
You have to wear that?
Only when I'm cutting.
Okay.
Only when I'm cutting. All right, let's take a look at this bad boy. Look at that. Boom. Shakalaka, pop the top. Hopefully it won't be too soggy with that tomato. Tomato! Yeah, we got some lettuce, some mayo, some bacon, some avocado. Yes, Alice has been on an avocado kick lately. She loves avocado. And that monster cheese. All right. Where's that cutting board at, young Alice? Oh, I got it right here. Boom. What? What's the matter with you?
I just remembered I could have worn my avocado shirt.
You could have worn it, but you're in beach bum mode. Oh, look at that. Slice right through that with the Farberware.
Good job.
And I'll add some music. Oh, you can have the small half.
Okay.
I didn't think I sliced it even. Look, and your tomato fell off. You don't want it anyways, do you?
Nope. Mm-mm.
You don't want that tomato?
Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
I'll eat that tomato. Tomato. Oh yeah, you like that, huh?
It smells good.
Do you even have lettuce on yours? Or did I get all the lettuce too? Okay. Smells good? It does smell good. Little inside view, cut in half, what we're working with. Big improvement from last week.
I love this one.
And that sauceum monstrosity. And this one's healthy too. We got the grilled chicken.
Mm.
You enjoying it, young Alice? Sounds like it. Oh man, I just dropped some avocado on the cutting board. Good thing that cutting board was there. It would have been on my pants.
I like that.
You like it? You ready to rate it?
Mm-hmm.
Go for it.
5.
Whoa!
Good.
So they saved the best for last?
Mm. No, I did what you
Oh,
didn't
guac.
do.
She guacked it up.
It's
Avocado. Yeah, it's pretty good. I don't know if I'll give it a 5 though.
What? Why not?
Because a 5 is a really high bar to set something. But I will give it a 4.
So good.
What is my reasoning behind giving it a 4? I don't know, I just don't feel like it's a 5. But everyone else does.
I could use some more avocado.
Use some more avocado. You know what? I might have liked it better if I would have got the spicy chicken.
Mm.
Because I love a spicy chicken patty. So, yeah, spicy chicken from Wendy's. It's like the gold standard in chicken sandwiches. But this is good. It is good. And it's kind of healthy. For the most part. Last bite.
Delicious. So, Mac, do you like Wendy's fries?
Yeah. I do. I need something over right here. Of the power. You like Wendy's fries?
Not really.
You don't?
I feel like they're always like limp or something.
They're always limp.
They are.
Maybe they need some Viagra. All right, we got something else too.
Oh yeah.
Since this is the finale of the trilogy, I'm gonna wipe this guac up with this fry. We have to have dessert. It just so happens they have a new dessert item.
Oh, it's new?
Yeah. What is it called?
It's like a cookie sundae or something.
Cookie Sundae. Frosty. What we're going with. Oh, man, they didn't give us... Yeah, they do. There's one spoon. I wish they popped that glove box open and get another one.
It's stuck.
It's stuck. So we're just going to have to share this spoon, young Alice. I hope I don't have cooties. You don't. Do you have cooties?
No.
She doesn't have cooties. Alright. Let's see what this is all about. And then we'll rate this too. You done with your sandwich?
Mm-hmm.
You want the first bite of this? Go for it.
Oh.
Sit back and eat these fries.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. You want to rate it?
Yeah.
Off one bite?
Mm-hmm.
What do you like on it?
2.
2.
The cookie tastes so weird, it's not even funny.
Weird tasting
Like,
cookie.
I don't know what kind of cookie it is, but
Let's see what
taste
this
the cookie.
weird tasting cookie thing is all about.
it's just weird.
Doesn't have much
Like,
smell.
everything else is good, but...
Well, I got a lot of weird tasting cookie on mine. See? My airplane. Oh man, I dripped ice cream on my car.
Weird, right?
I don't know. I don't really taste much.
Well, it doesn't. I was expecting like a good old chocolate chip cookie, and it's definitely not that.
Yeah. It tastes a tad bit frozen.
Maybe it's that. I don't know.
I don't know what it is.
It's almost like they're stale or something.
I don't know about that. I don't know. You want more of it?
Nope.
She gives it a 2. I'm going to give it a 3. Because it's not terrible. It's also nothing spectacular either. Oh, I got brain freeze. Ate it too fast. I don't need no more of that. As always.
Pardon the interruption. I know how compelling it is to watch J-Mac talk with his mouth full, but I'd like to take this opportunity to remind everyone that chicken nugget lives matter. Watch your back, Jay. I'm coming for you.
Now that is the second time this chicken nugget by the name of Eugene has interrupted one of my videos. I don't even know. What do you think about Eugene, the angry chicken nugget? Do you think I should be worried? She said don't worry. All right, whatever, Eugene. I'll see you. As always, this is J Mac for the lovely Young Allys. Saying adios, arrivederci, sayonara, and goodbye for now. Till next time. Bye, Felicia.